Hello friends! Today, we're embarking on a journey more thrilling than science fiction. Imagine a world where computers are leaving human thought behind, where secrets can no longer be hidden. Today, we'll talk about quantum computing and its amazing algorithm, Grover's algorithm. Let's start with a question. Can a computer work so fast that it can do in seconds what would take normal computers years? And if so, are all our secrets in danger? The answer lies ahead, so stay tuned. But before we move on, we have a small request. If you're new to our channel, please subscribe. And if you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button. Friends, first, let's understand what quantum computing island. The computers in our homes work on bits of 0 seconds and 1 second, either on or off. But quantum computers? They work their magic with qubits. Qubits can be 0, 1, or both at the same time. This is called superposition. Because of this, quantum computers can perform millions of calculations simultaneously. Imagine you have a book where every page has an answer. A normal computer would open each page one by one, but a quantum computer? It would look at all the pages at once. Now, let's talk about human thought. Our brain focuses on one or two things at a time, but quantum computers are outmatching human thought. They process data so quickly that problems that seem impossible to us are a matter of minutes for them. For example, if you had to solve a fun puzzle with thousands of possibilities, you might get tired. But a quantum computer can check all those possibilities at once. But wait, this is just the beginning. What if a computer could crack all your passwords in a snap? Scary, but also exciting, right? Let's talk about Grover's algorithm in the next part, which is a master at uncovering secrets. Now, let's talk about Grover's algorithm. Imagine you have a lock, and its key is hidden in a pile of 100,000 keys. A normal computer would try each key one by one. But a quantum computer with Grover's algorithm, it would find that key in a snap. This algorithm uses the power of quantum computing to solve search problems, and it does so with astonishing speed. The magic of Grover's algorithm is that it works at a square root speed. This means if it takes a normal computer 100,000 steps to find something in a list of 100,000 items, Grover's algorithm can do it in just about 300 steps. Now, think about our secrets, like passwords and encrypted messages, which we believe are secure. How safe will they be against Grover's algorithm? This is what makes this algorithm so special and a little bit scary. But wait, is this algorithm only for breaking secrets? No! It has other amazing uses. For instance, if you need to find a specific person's record in a massive database, Grover's algorithm can find it in the blink of an eye. Are you excited to find out how this algorithm can change our lives? Let's dive deeper in the next section. Now, let's go a bit deeper. Quantum computing isn't just a machine for fast calculations, it's challenging human thought. Unlike our brains, which can think about a limited number of things at once, quantum computers work on many possibilities simultaneously. This is the power of superposition, entanglement, and quantum interference. Entanglement means that two qubits are linked to each other, no matter how far apart they are. If one qubit changes, the other changes instantly, even across the universe. What is the impact of this on our thinking? Our brains think logically and in a linear fashion, but quantum computers are inspiring us to think in new ways. For example, in the world of medicine, quantum computers can help discover new drugs. They can simulate the behavior of molecules, which is impossible for normal computers. Imagine how quickly we could find cures for diseases like cancer. But at the same time, a question arises. If quantum computers are so powerful, will they put our data privacy at risk? With tools like Grover's algorithm, will our digital security remain safe? To find the answer to this question, let's move to the next part. Now, let's talk about how Grover's algorithm affects our secrets. In today's world, our passwords, bank details, and personal messages are secure because of encryption. But Grover's algorithm has the power to break this encryption. How? It scans the search space so quickly that codes that took years to break can now be broken in minutes. For example, if a hacker wants to decrypt your encrypted data, Grover's algorithm could help them find the correct key rapidly. But don't be scared. Along with quantum computing, new types of encryption are also being developed, like quantum-resistant cryptography. It's a race. hackers versus security experts. But Grover's algorithm isn't just for breaking secrets. It can also be used for quickly finding information in databases, improving machine learning, and even in space exploration. Imagine if we needed to search for life on a distant planet. Grover's algorithm could analyze the data rapidly. And yes, have you thought about how this algorithm could change online shopping? For instance, finding the perfect product for you could take just seconds. Are you excited to learn what more this technology can do in the future? So far, we've seen how powerful quantum computing and Grover's algorithm are. But this is just the beginning. In the future, quantum computers could make our cities smarter, eliminate traffic jams, and even find solutions to problems like climate change. For example, quantum computers could provide accurate weather forecasts, helping farmers save their crops, or they could design energy-efficient systems to save electricity. Let's look at the power of Grover's algorithm more deeply. Suppose you need to find a specific book in a vast library. A normal computer would check every shelf, every book. But Grover's algorithm? It would go straight to that book, like magic. It can also be used to accelerate artificial intelligence. For instance, your smartphone could understand your preferences with much greater accuracy. But one question remains. Will we use this power wisely? Will quantum computers completely overpower the human mind? Or will we work with them to reach new heights? The answers to these questions are hidden in the future. So friends, this was the exciting journey of quantum computing and Grover's algorithm. If you liked this video, please like it, share it, and tell us in the comments what excites you the most. The power of quantum computers, the magic of Grover's algorithm, or the infinite possibilities of the future. And yes, are you ready for a world where human thought and technology reach new dimensions together? Stay with us, because the future starts here. Friends, we hope you enjoyed our video today. If you liked it, please don't forget to hit the like button, and if you're new to our channel, please subscribe.